Jeepers here, taking a brief look at CG Feedback Module and just using that to manage the comments and feedback that come in on your blog posts or news articles. This is just a general overview, not targeted to any one user, but just gives some examples of things that you can change and alter and how to operate with it. By default, it would be named the CG Feedback Module under Content. It does allow developers to rename it to something that is a little more meaningful for a client. So in this case, I have it as comments / feedback. And coming in, it presents a list. Default order is oldest to newest, and it just kind of goes through. Immediate filtering can be done just by clicking on the tables. It's using a jQuery table sorter. So if you want to see by the date created but descending, just click twice and it will put it in that order. It also gives us the option to filter. So I could say I only want to see ones that are marked as draft and submit. And boom, that'll shorten the list and you can see who is marked as draft, which ones, so that you can then review and do what you need to do. Editing, pretty straightforward. We can click on the number or the edit link on the far right. Gets you in, and then you can kind of review the remarks. Set it to notify author of additional comments on this thread, so they will get an email. By default, that's something that they would set when they fill it out. And then draft, published, or spam. Just mark the item, hit it, and that will determine whether it shows up or not. Really, that is it with this particular module. There's a lot that developers can do with it and play with the templates and so on and so forth. But that is the nuts and bolts of getting around on the back end of it.